How to disable the graphics acceleration on Opera GX. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy method to disable the browser's graphics acceleration on Opera GX. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is obviously open up your Opera GX, and once you open up it, and once your browser is open, click on this Opera GX corner on the top left, and it will open up your menu section. Now scroll down until you find settings. Once you navigate your way to settings, you will have three sub options: GX Basics, Privacy and Security, and then you have the browser. Go ahead and click on the browser option. Now you just have to scroll down a bit and then find the System tab. So scroll down until you find System, and right here, now once you find System, here is the option for Use Graphic Acceleration when available. By default, it should be turned on. Now if you want to disable it, just toggle it off, and then simply relaunch your browser, and your graphics acceleration will be turned off on your Opera GX. So that's how you do it. It's as easy as that. I hope you found this helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.